Hey guys, Julie Willits here. Just wanted to jump on and give you a little information about why you should choose or consider choosing an affiliate marketing program. The reason that I have chosen an affiliate marketing program is because there is usually a system in place that you just plug into and you don't have to recreate the wheel. There are a lot of programs out there that people kind of struggle because if you're starting something new in an online business, you don't want to be stuck in a learning mode and student mode forever and ever and ever before you actually take some kind of action. So if you have a blueprint and you have a step-by-step process that leads you through into the different products, what you need to be doing, what your affiliate links are, your video sales letters, your email follow-ups, plugging into learning how to email prospects, having an autoresponder. Those are all pretty much the things that you would need to have in place to have a business of your own. So my thoughts are, if you get involved in an affiliate program that can give you all that to begin with, then you're not struggling to actually get all that tech stuff in place, if you know what I mean. So I just think having an affiliate program that you can start out at a low cost, and then if you decide that you want to get more products and have that value ladder in place to where if you are in that type of program, you're able to make higher ticket commissions. The program I'm currently in, I can make up to $3,200 at the top end of my commissions, and some people are further than I am to where they can make even a $12,000 commission. So you wouldn't want to have a $20 product that you're actually going to make maybe $12 for each product, correct? How many people would you have to get your offer in front of to actually make any type of living or extra income to have that type of money in your pocket on a weekly, monthly basis? I mean, do the math. $12, you'd have to get quite a few people to actually be able to make any type of substantial income. So I just hope that that gives you a little bit of insight into an affiliate marketing program. And if you would like some more information about the blueprints, and you can look at the information in the link below. It will be in the description. And please subscribe to my channel. Hit the notification bell. And once I upload a new video, which I plan on doing these on a more regular basis, then you will be notified to see what I have to offer next. All right, thank you for your time, and I'll see you on the inside. Bye now.